Does your debt collector really own your debt? This is not legal advice. Seek a qualified attorney. Your debt collector may not own your debt, even if you know you own the debt, even if you want to pay your debt. Your debt collector may not truly own your debt. Debt collectors buy your credit card debt for pennies on the dollar. Most debtors do not challenge the debt collectors, so the debt collectors do not have to prove they own the debt. Debt collectors may use harassment and other improper means to collect, even if they cannot prove they own the debt. Here's some debt collectors we may watch. Our goal is to get these cases dismissed without you having to pay anything at all. How is this done? Sometimes your debt can be barred by the statute of limitations. Sometimes the amount of the debt can be wrong. We find that in many cases, when challenged, the debt collectors can't prove that they own the debt. If they are not the true owner of the debt, you should not be forced to pay them. You can fight back. Many people don't think they can fight back. Many people don't think they can afford a lawyer. We do not charge for the initial consultation. Find out what your rights are now. You can sue them. If the debt collectors have violated the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, you can sue them and win damages. There may be other state laws that allow you to stop or sue debt collectors. Many debt collectors do not comply with the laws regulating them. Here's a case of did not own the debt. Recently, 38 state attorneys general opposed a settlement with the debt collector. Encore Capital Group, owned by Midland Funding, used robo-signing, fraudulent affidavits in collection cases. Encore buys credit card debt and then tries to collect more than it paid for the debt. The 38 states opposed a settlement because the damages to be paid to the debtors were too small. Here's what they pay for your debt. Encore buys discounted debt from credit card companies and collects on the accounts. Encore paid $1.76 billion to buy 33 million accounts. The accounts had a face value of $54.7 billion. In other words, Encore paid only 3 cents for each dollar of debt. Your debt collector may have paid only 3 cents for each dollar you owe. So if you owe $3,000, they may have paid only $90 for your debt, but they want you to pay in full. Call for a free consultation. Contact the law offices of Bradley Essman, 727-768-2121, or email attorneyessman@yahoo.com.